Thank you. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Things ain't what they seem. Be mindful of what you believe is you. Nobody's perfect, but to be perfect, that's the issue. With your words behind the curtains, that's a big truth. Things ain't what they seem. Be mindful of what you believe.
Hey, beautiful people. My name is Caleb. I'm a flight attendant based here in Montreal. Today we are starting a brand new trip. I am flying to Venice, Italy. I am super excited. Never been to Venice before. I've been to Rome, I've been to Milan, but Venice is my first time going there. So hopefully I won't be too tired. I'll be able to go out and show you and a little bit of Venice. We are flying on the Airbus 330. I think the flight is like over 7 hours. Hi guys, over 8 hours later, thank God we landed safely in Venice, Italy. I am so excited. Let's do a quick home tour before I go to sleep. This is like the closet. Very big closet. There's a safe in there. And we have the bed. Chair. TV. Computer station, and this is the view that I have. Welcome to Venice. Let's go check out the bathroom. We have the shower. Very big tub, and again we have the bidet because there's always a bidet every time I come to Europe. The bidet and the toilet. And this is it guys. I'm going to sleep. I am tired. I will catch up with you on the next clip.
A few moments later.
It is currently 3:18 p.m. Again, welcome to Venice, Italy. I just slept for maybe 3 hours. I'm going downstairs to meet with my colleague. We're just gonna walk around a little bit, do a little bit of sightseeing because a few of my colleagues actually it's their first trip in Venice. So we just want to go out, take advantage of the nice weather. It's like 30 degrees. It's very hot. The flight Montreal to Venice overall very good, uneventful. Most passengers, they just slept after we finished the first service because it's just overnight flight. In a way, it's easy because once people eat, they just want to sleep. And then we actually made it half an hour here this morning because we were supposed to land at 10 a.m. I think we made it. It was like 9:25 or 9:30. So half an hour than scheduled time. Everything is good, guys. I just wanted to come say quick hi. Let's go out together and hopefully I'll be able to show you a little bit of Venice. We are downtown Venice, Italy on a Sunday afternoon. I'm here with this wonderful guy. You want to say hi to the people?
Hello.
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 We work on the flight together in the back galley. So right now we just we took the bus,
The 4L.
the bus for free that we should have paid, but don't tell anyone. But now we're going down to the center, and then we're just trying to make the best of today, even though the weather's so hot. But we're just grateful to be in Italy, in Venice. That's your first trip in Venice as well?
First time, yeah.
Okay, so that section is so peaceful. Wow. But today's Sunday, so maybe that's why.
Even the back is nice.
Yeah. Stepping in the spot like she own it. Looking like the world is your runway. She can set it off like a gunplay. Oh my. Yeah. Talk of the city with that body. Always getting praised like it's Sunday. She said, baby, what you gonna do about it? Loving your vibe, girl. That energy got me going. Yeah, that thing's so vibrant. I wanna know if you can give me the keys to your heart, baby. All I need is you. All I need is you. Ewe muleji, you right next to me. Moji mule na vanemia yila, vanemia yila. Ewe muleji, mami venaki. Moji mule na vanemia yila, vanemia yila. She says she need me like heartbeat. Drive me the bed like a RV. Hugging the curves on that body. She bring the heat like wasabi. Promise not to test your heart. We just can't be kept apart. Yeah, yeah. Baby, you the best by far. Always go the extra mile. Yeah, yeah. All I need is you.
Okay, so now we need to take a boat to cross over, and it's like €2 to go. So I'm here with Mike. We're gonna get on the boat. This is so nice. It's shaky, it's shaky. Wow. That's it? That was such a small cross. It's like 2 minutes. Not even.
90 seconds.
Wow. And we made it to shore. Oh yes, you have to do it again, okay.
Unless you want to stay on this side of the bottom.
Oh no. Yeah.
Here we go. This is
Oh wow.
the construction.
Okay. We made it, y'all.
Beautiful.
Wow.
Look behind you. Look at the
Piazza San Marco. So that's the name of the plaza?
yeah, that's the name.
Loving your vibe, girl. That energy got me going. It's my baby. That thing so vibrant. Keys to your heart, baby girl. Ewe muleji, you right next to me. Moji mule na vanemia yila, vanemia yila.
Good morning, guys. It is currently 11:33 a.m. and my flight has been delayed for 1 hour. I was supposed to check out at 10:55. Now it is currently 11:33. We got a message this morning. The flight was delayed for 1 hour. but now we do Venice to Toronto, and then it's quite a long journey. And then I do Toronto to Montreal. I deadhead as a passenger, and then I don't have to operate the flight, but I still get paid for my deadhead flight. So I anticipate by the time I made it home this evening, it will be 9 p.m. So I'm praying no more delay. I just want to get home safe and get some rest. I had a great time in Venice. I'm so grateful for my colleague Mike, because it was our first trip together in Venice. We were able to experience everything together. We walked minimum 4 hours and stopped and ate, had some good food, and then that was about it. By the time we came back here, it was like 9 p.m. In the evening. So I wouldn't mind doing another trip in Venice. I just want to take that little boat that takes you around the canal, and once I do that, I'm pretty much will be good for Venice. But I'm just glad I can check that on my bucket list if I don't come here soon. So that's it, guys. That's all the crew debrief I have for you. I hope you enjoy the little footage I was able to show you. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I will see you on the next adventure. Peace and love. Bye.
Man, fool of what you believe.